Hello, my friends. My name is Carlos Bracamonte. I was born on December 7th of 1998. I'm 25 years old and I'm from of Lima in Peru. My mother is Ida Guevara Flores and my father is Juan Jose Bracamonte. I have three brothers. My one brother is Johan Bracamonte. My two brother is Boris Bracamonte and my sister is Alessandra Bracamonte. I study architecture of UPN, University Private of North. My favorite courses are architecture studio and drawing. I always get the best grades and I have a scholarship. I don't work, I study, but I did my internship. I like to practice Muay Thai and Kung Fu or run on the beach. Sometimes I like to go out with my friends or have lunch with my family at the mall. I'm taking to advanced beginner course because it is very interesting and will help me in my professional development in architecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye, my friends and my teacher. Good night.